Good day everyone, this is Angelus Ramos from BSED Math 3A. In this video, we are going to discuss about the final project number 4, which is to relate the order of the group to the order of its subgroup. So, this will be our symmetrical web, and this will be our lattice diagram. We're going to examine it. So first, let's see. So we have here the key sub. We have here the K containing the element M, A, T, H, E, N, I, K 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 under the binary operation. So we have only we have only one subgroup containing 16 elements. Now let us proceed to, we have here the key sub 16 containing the element M, A, T, H, E, N, I, K under the binary operation. Also, we have the key sub 17 containing the element M, T, E, I, 1, 5, 9, 13 under the binary operation with 8 elements. And also, we have key sub 18 containing the element M, T, E, I, 3, 5, 3, 7, 11, 15 rather. So we have here in the case of 16, case of 17, and case of 8 containing 8 elements. Now let us proceed to, we have here the case of 11 containing the element NTEI under the binary operation. Next, we have the case of 12 containing the elements ME19 under the binary operations. Also, case of 13 containing the elements ME311 under the binary operation. Also, case of 14 containing an element ME513 under the binary operations, and also case of 15 containing the element ME715. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subgroup containing 4 elements. Now let us proceed to the elements containing 2 elements. So we have first the case of 10 containing the element M and 15 under the binary operation. Then case of 9 containing the elements M and 13 under the binary operation. Also case of 8 containing the element M11 under the binary operation. Also the case of 7 containing the element M, so M and 9 under the binary operation. Also the case of 6 containing the element M and 7 under the binary operation. Also the case of 8 containing the element case of 5 containing the element M5 under the binary operation. Also the case of 3 containing the element M and 1 under the binary operation. And also last, we have the case of 2 containing an element M, E under the binary operation. Therefore, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 subgroup containing 2 elements, and last we have the case of 1 containing 1 element, so we have 1. Okay. Therefore, the elements of the subgroup are based on the number that divides 16. So the divisors of the orders of the group is the order of the subgroup. So in here, on the summary, we have a subgroup of order 1, which is the generator M containing one element, which is M, and also which is the K sub 1. Now, in case subgroup of order 2, under the generator E, which is containing the element ME, and 1 containing the element MI, and 3 containing the element M3, and 5 containing the element M5, and 7 containing the element M7, and 9 containing the element M9, and 11 containing the element M11, and 13 containing the element 13. And last, we have 15 containing the element M15, wherein E is the K sub 2, then 1, which is the K sub 3, then the generator 3, which is the K sub 4, then generator 5, which is the K sub 5, then generator 6, which is generator 7, which is K sub 6, and then generator 9, which is K sub 7, and generator 11, which is K sub 8, and K sub 13, which is the K sub 9, then generator 15, which is the K sub 10. Now let us proceed to subgroup of order 4, which is we have generator TEI, which having an elements MTEI, then generator E, generator I, generator 9 with an element containing ME19, and then generator E 311 containing the element ME311, and also we have the generator E5 and 13 containing the element ME513, and also last, for the subgroup of order 4, we have the generator E, generator 7, and generator 15 containing the element ME715. Okay, in the generator TEI, we have, which is the K sub 11, and then for the second one, we have the generator E19, or the K sub 12, also the generator 3, and 11, we have the K sub 13, followed by K sub 14, and K sub 15. Now, let us proceed to the subgroup of order 8, which is we have 3, the generator ATHENIK, which is the K sub 16. Next, by generator TEI 3, 7, 11, 15 with an elements MCEI 3, 7, 11, 15 under the binary operation, which is the K17. Then also we have the generator TEI 15913 with containing the element MTEI 15913 under the binary operation, which is the K sub 18. And last, we have the subgroup of order 16 containing, we have only one element, which is K, containing the element MATHENIK 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Therefore, we have a 5 order, which is subgroup of order 1, subgroup of order 2, subgroup of order 4, subgroup of order 8, and subgroup of order 16. So that will be all for the final project number 4.